Doctors generally treat whooping cough with antibiotics. There are several antibiotics available to treat whooping cough. It's very important to treat whooping cough early, before coughing fits begin. Starting treatment after 3 weeks of illness is unlikely to help even though most people will still have symptoms. Antibiotics can prevent and treat whooping cough. Recommended antibiotics include azithromycin, erythromycin and clarithromycin. Trimethoprim sulfamethoxazole can also be used. Antibiotics kill the bacteria causing whooping cough and help speed recovery. Exposed family members may be given preventive antibiotics. Unfortunately, not much is available to relieve the cough. Over-the-counter cough medicines, for instance, have little effect on whooping cough and are discouraged.